I bet you didn't know Forex trading could be this fun. Hey there, Team PipInfuse here. From fundamental and technical analysis to global macroeconomic research, our specialists cover it all. Imagine having a crew of seasoned financial experts, regulated fund managers, and top-tier trading developers at your fingertips. That's the PipInfuse promise. Our mission? To create a cutting-edge, transparent, and comfortable environment for all stakeholders. We achieve this by partnering with reliable vendors and offering comprehensive trading solutions tailored just for you. Ready to explore and evolve in the global financial market? Join us today. Whether you are a beginner in Forex, a professional trader, investor, or a startup broker, feel free to reach out to us for a friendly chat or free consultation at info@pipinfuse.com or visit www.pipinfuse.com. We may be able to assist you. All links in the description. Happy trading, everyone.